Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to insert a table in Excel in just a few quick steps. Start by selecting the cells you want to turn into a table. Click and drag your mouse over the range, including your column headings if you have them. You'll see the cells highlight in blue once they're selected. Once your cells are selected, click the Insert tab at the top of the Excel ribbon. In the Tables group on the Insert tab, click the Table button. The Create Table dialog box will appear in the center of your screen. Excel will show you the data range it's detected for your table. Verify that it includes all the cells you want. If it hasn't, you can manually adjust the range in the field. Next, look for the checkbox that says, My table has headers. If your selected range includes column headings at the top, check this box. If you don't check it, Excel will add default headers like column 1, column 2 above your data. Once you've verified the range and checked the headers box, click OK at the bottom of the dialog box. Excel will format your data into a table with alternating row colors and filter buttons in each column heading. When you create the Table Design tab will appear in the ribbon whenever you click inside the table. You can use this tab to change the color scheme or adjust other table properties. Each table gets a default name like Table 1 or Table 2, which you can rename in the Table Design tab if you need to reference it in formulas. The filter buttons in the headers let you sort and filter your data. Just click the arrow in any header to see your options. That's all there is to it.